I am scything down the Sudan grass in between the rows of corn. And this is a special variety of sweet corn that we want to harvest for food, for seed. It's called Ashworth, and it's a open pollinated, not so sweet corn. So we mulched in here nice and thickly, and there's also nursery crops in here. There's hazelnuts and chestnuts and peaches and some watermelons too. But I'm just absolutely in heaven with the amount of mass that's here coming down to the ground right now. That much green material to cover in between the rows. And super awkward to get in here with the scythe because there's not enough space. But this is more of a trial for future plantings that'll be out in the field at scale with wider rows. And this will be cut with a tractor mounted sickle bar mower and laid to the side, and then the Sudan grass can just grow up again. And then this will also be planted with perennial C4 grasses outside. And actually I have Eastern Gamma grass in here too. So hopefully we'll be able to get almost this amount of growth with a perennial bunching grass. But nothing can really beat annual Sudan grass. I mean, just the amount of organic material that's hitting the ground right now is, it's awesome. And this release will also get our watermelons some more size and via the extra light. So yeah, this is just a joy not to have exposed soil, not to be weeding really. The actual in the road, there's very few weeds, just enough hay that I cut from our walkways and from the weeds that were growing in here before to cover the ground, plant, direct seed cover crop into the rows, and away you go.